Hello students. Today we are going to do quadratic equation exercise 4.3. Okay. That is computing the square. So in that exercise we have to factorize a quadratic equation by computing the square. So let's start. There are some simple steps to follow while doing that quadratic equation. So I will give you some steps, follow according to the step and it will be very easy for you to complete that one. Okay. First, steps for completing the square. What is the first step? First step is obtain the quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? I'm sure you know. The quadratic equation will be in the form ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. Is it not? This is a quadratic equation. Now, while doing this one, we want the x square coefficient as unity, means 1. So, how can you make this as unity? Divide all this by a. So, what you will get? Ax square by a by bx by a plus c by a equal to 0. So a cancel off any number, what may be the number, it will cancel off, it will become unity. That is our first step. Make the coefficient of x square as unity. Got it? Clear? Now write the equation as x square plus bx by a plus c by a equals to 0. Now the next term is bring c by a to the right hand side. So the equation will become x square plus bx by a equals to minus c by a. Is it clear now? Now next, bring the x coefficient. What is x coefficient? B by a. This is the x coefficient. Got it? Make it half means multiply and divide by 2. Make it half means b by 2a. If you are dividing by 2, you have to multiply by 2. This will become the middle term and it will come here. Got it? So, I am putting this number plus 2b by 2a, put a bracket, this is equals to minus c by a. But only I have divided and multiplied by 2, or in some book it will be written half of it and multiply by 2, one and the same. Now we have to make the third equation, means a plus b the whole square comprises of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is it not? So we got a square, we got 2ab. Now we have to get b square. So what we have to do? Take only this number. Take only this number. That is b by 2a and square it. Take only the x coefficient, which is, make it half and make square it. And add this number to LHS and RHS. Concentrate in this one. It's very easy. So my equation will become x square plus 2 times b by 2a. X, I am adding this here, b by 2a the whole square equals to this minus c by a plus b by 2a the whole and square. Got it? Coefficient of x, take that one, divide by half and square it, put it on the LHS and RHS. Got it? Then this equation we can write in the form a plus b the whole square, and this we have to solve it. This is the only thing we have to do while doing the computing the square. So one by one question we will do. So you will feel easy in that. I will do, you do with me. Okay? So what is the first question? 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Now tell me children, what I have to do first? What I have to do first? I have to make this as unity. How will I make it as unity? Yes, divide all side by 2. So if when I divide, what will I get? 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So I can make it x square as unity. It's clear? Yes, your first step is done. So the equation become x square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the second step you have to do? Bring 3 by 2 to the right hand side. Okay. So our equation will become x square minus 7x by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now we have to take the x coefficient. What is the x coefficient here? What is the x coefficient here? Write the x coefficient. Yes, the x coefficient is 7 by 2. X coefficient is 7 by 2. What we have to do? We have to divide and multiply by 2. So what you will get? 2, and I will do the multiplication inside the below one. Below one, and numerator I am taken outside and denominator I have put inside by 2 because I want this number. So what I can put this in the middle term. Okay. After that, take this number and square it. So how will you get? X square. In place of this, I can write 2 times 7 by 4 x then equals to minus 3 by 2. Got it? Clear? Now I have to take this one, okay, to make it square. Okay, so how can I take this one? This is the coefficient of x. Okay, so I can take 7 by 4 the whole square to LHS and RHS. Got it? LHS and RHS. So my equation will become x square minus 2 7 by 4x. I am adding to LHS. It will become 7 by 4 the whole square equals to, I am adding this to the whole square and then minus 3 over 2. It's clear now? Up till here? Now you open the bracket here, this side. This you leave as it is because this equation will become a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a square? A square in place of a is x minus 2ab this one and then 7 by 4 the whole square. You got it, this one? Equals to, what is 7 square? Yes, 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. Now take the LCM of this one, which will become 16 is the LCM. Is it not? Now, you can write as it is. 2 how many times 16? 8. 8 3s are 24. So the equation this will become x minus 7 by 4. X minus 7 by 4 equal the whole square equals to 49 minus 24 is what? 25 by 16. Is it not? Now, remove the square from this side. So it will become x minus 7 by 4 is equal to root of 24 by 16. Is it clear? Now what? Sorry, root of 25 by 16. It's clear? Now 25, root of 25 is what? 5. Root of 16 is what? 4. So we'll get the answer x minus 7 by 4 is equal to, root comes into plus or minus 5 by 4. Is it not? Because if in root you are removing, you have to get plus or minus. Now, if I take x is equal to, bring this 7 by 4 here. If I take plus 5 by 4, I will get one answer. If x is equal to, with 7 by 4 come this side plus, I take minus 5 by 4. So, what is x now? 4. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. And x can be 7 minus 5 is what? 2. That is 2 by 4. The answer will be 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the answer? X is 3 or x is 1 by 2. Got it? Clear? So this is the easiest way. So the roots of the two equations are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to half. Clear? Now come to question number 2. What is question number 2? Write the equation. Question number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 4 by 2. Write the equation. 2x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. What is the first step you have to do? First step is to make it as unity. How to make it unity? Yes, divide all side by 2. So you will get 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. Is it not? Now what all things you can cut? You can cut this one. You will get the equation x square plus x by 2. Cut this equation by 2. You get minus 2 is equal to 0. Got it? Clear? Now shift this one C part to RHS. So what you will get? X square plus x by 2 is equal to 2. So now we have to follow some rule here. Is it not? What is the x coefficient? Half. Half is the x coefficient. Is it not? So half I have taken outside. Then we had the rule multiply and divide by 2. So we will get 2 times 1 by 4, that is x. So you can write x square plus 2 times 1 by 4 x equals to 2. Got it? This is the middle term. Now we have to find the last term, a square plus b the whole square, b term. How will you find the b term? We take only this part and square it, 1 by 4 the whole square. Easy. Now our equation will become x square plus 2 times 1 by 4 x equals to 2 plus 1 by 4. Sorry. You will get x square plus 2 times 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 the whole square, adding to left hand side also. Then you have to add the right hand side. Got it? Got it? Now this become a term a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 by 16. Is it not? Now if I make this as our LCM, take our LCM, what will I get? 16 is the LCM. 16 2s are 32. So 32 plus 1. So I will get x plus 1 by 4 the whole square as 33 over 16. Is it not? Up till here it is clear? 33 over 16. Now remove the square root. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to root of plus or minus 33 by 16. 33 there is no root. 16 is having a root, that is 4 square is equal to 16. Is it not? So I can open this as x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 33 by 4. Got it? Now I have to split into 2. That is x is equal to root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4, or x is equal to minus root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Got it? Be clear here. If you open the root, it will become plus or minus. So plus root 33 by 4 I have taken here, and minus root 33 by 4 I have taken here. Clear? Now when you solve this one, x is equal to, LCM is 4. You will get root 33, that is in plus sign, minus 1. And in this portion you will get as 4 minus root 33 and minus 1. Clear? These are the two roots. Easy, no? Okay, got it? Now, next the third question. Third question is 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now write the question fast and be with me now. So I'm making the border line first. Always you make the rough work line. Okay, it will be easy. Now you know all the steps. What you have to do? What you have to do? You have to divide all side by 4. So what is the equation you are getting here? What is the equation? You will get sorry, x square plus root 3 x plus 3 by equals to 0. Is it not? Up till here you know. Now next portion also it is easy for you. You will bring to the right hand side. Yes dear. Make it fast. Root 3 x equals to minus 3 by 4. Okay, done. Now take the b part. B part is root 3. Is it the b part is root 3. Then you have to multiply and divide by 2. Yes, take that one. X square plus 2 root 3 by 2. This is the x part equal to minus 3 by 4. Now we want only this part. So this part we have to square it and give it to LHS and RHS. Is it not? So our equation will become x square plus 2 root 3 by 2 into x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square equals to this minus 3 by 4. But I am putting this value first. Root 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 4. Got it? Got it up till here? Up till here it is clear? Now this become x plus, because this is plus, root 3 by 2 the whole square. Got it? Equals to, if I open the bracket, root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. Yes. So you will get 3 by 2 square is what? 4. Minus 3 by 4. So 3 plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 is 0. So what is the assumption in this one? We are having only one root. What is one root? If you open this one, you will get x plus root 3 by 2 and into x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0. The answer is x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Done. Finished. So easy. Is it not? If you do this one, this is also very easy. Now our last number. Write down the equation fast. Be fast. 2x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay. Now you are smarter than me. Divide all side by 2, dear. So you get the equation x square plus x by 2 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. This also I can cut. It will become 2. Yeah, you can do that one also. Now bring this c part to the RHS. So you will get the equation x square plus x by 2 is equal to minus 2. Now take the b part. Whenever you are doing, do neatly the rough work, because in board exam they will see your neatness also. Clarity is also there. Take the x part. Half is the x part. You have to multiply and divide both side by 2. So equation become 1 by 4 of x. Is it clear? Now next step is x square plus 2 times 1 by 4 x. Then this we have done like this, equals to minus 2. Then we have to take only this one and square it. Yes, you will get x square plus 2 times 1 by 4x, adding this here 1 by 4 the whole square equals to taking this 1 by 4 the whole square minus 2. Okay. Now final step, we will take this equation according to the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to, open the bracket. If you open the bracket, 1 by 16 minus 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Solve this RHS. That is 16 is the LCM. So if 16 is the LCM, this is 1. 16 times 2 is 16 2s are 32. So we will get minus 31 by 16. That is x plus 1 by 4 the whole square is in minus sign. If it is minus, there won't be any solution. So how can you answer this, the final part of this one? If anything, so you can write x plus 1 by 4 the whole square cannot be negative. Okay, so there is no real value because the square of a real value cannot be negative. So there is no real value of x satisfying the given equation. Therefore, this given equation has no real roots. Therefore, the solution of the given equation does not exist. Clear? So, completing the square, we are finished in a clear way. Only practice, my dear children. Practice only makes you perfect. All the best. I am coming with the next chapter in next video. Thank you.